Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I will share to you some ideas on how to be rich in 3 steps. Take control of your destiny and get rich on your terms. So ang ating 3 steps in being rich is number 1, intindihin ang mga societal systems that hold you back o mga pumipigil sa'yo. Number 2, change your mindset. And step number 3 is set actionable goals. Okay, let's go to number 1. Understand the societal systems that hold you back. Ano yung mga societal systems or sistema ng society na pumipigil sa'yo para maging mayaman? Ang mga sistema ito ay gumagawa ng illusion na kailangan mong mabuhay sa ganitong paraan para makonsider na successful. Gusto kanya matrap sa cycle ng earning and consumption or kumita and paggastos. Na kailangan mo ng mga ganitong lifestyle para makonsider ka na successful or rich. Paano natin ma-escape ang mga societal systems na to? So we have 3 steps. Number 1, kailangan natin ng entrepreneurship or freelancing. And number 2, pwede tayong investment. And number 3 ay mga forms of passive income. Okay. Next step naman on how to get rich is change your mindset. Realize na ikaw ay walang limit, limitless. Study, learn, and grow your skills. Open your mind. Adopt a growth mindset. So, meron tayo uling 3 steps para magkaroon tayo ng growth mindset. Number 1, embrace challenges. Number 2, accept failure as a learning experience. And number 3, understand that effort is the path to mastery. Ang mindset shift natin ito ay mag-enable sa atin na makita ang mga opportunities kung saan ang iba ay nakakita ng obstacles. So pag na-change natin ang ating mindset into a growth mindset, mas mabilis tayong makakita ng opportunities instead na obstacles lang yung nakikita natin. Our step 3 on how to be rich is to set specific goals. Ang ating goals, ito yung ating roadmap to financial freedom. So, paano tayo mag-set ng specific goals? Remember that is SMART, S-M-A-R-T. We need it to be S, specific, M, measurable, A, achievable, R, relevant, and T, time-bound goals. Clear goals will give you a sense of direction and purpose. So yun guys, yung ating 3 steps on how to become rich. 3 tips naman to become rich. Number 1 is find your passion. Number 2 is self-control. And number 3 is continuous learning. So number 1, find your passion. So ang passion ay mahalaga dahil ito ang fuel natin para sa journey in being rich. So pag ginagawa natin yung ating gusto is mas lalo tayong gaganahan na gawin ito. When you're passionate about what you do, work doesn't feel like work. Financial freedom is not just about having money, it's about controlling your time and life. Number 2, master willpower or self-control. Avoid distractions and stay focused. So, avoid natin yung mga distractions like lagi tayong nasa social media and other libangan in our phones. Number 3 naman is continuous learning. Knowledge is power, but it's only valid if applied. So, we need to implement wisdom. Turn your acquired insights into practical steps for success. Turn knowledge into actionable steps. Example ng mga knowledge natin na pwede nating i-apply. Example is like launching a business, making intelligent investments, honing a skill, creating a business plan, setting a budgets. Di lang sapat yung meron tayong knowledge, kailangan meron din tayong implementation or gamitin natin yung knowledge para mas ma-achieve natin yung ating goals. So yun guys, yung ating 3 steps on how to become rich. Thank you for watching.